There are certain foods and drinks that people can include in their diet to regulate their levels of blood sugar, and onion is one of them. In this video, we are talking about onions and their nutrition facts, health benefits, and health risks. You will also learn more on how onions can help diabetics in controlling their blood sugar levels. What are onions? Also known as bulb onions or common onions, they are vegetables and the most widely cultivated species of the genus Allium. Other related vegetables include garlic, leeks, shallots, and chives. Onions are cultivated and consumed across the world. They are usually served cooked. They can also be eaten raw and are used in pickles and chutneys. The onion has a strong taste and a sharp, pungent flavor. Though it is a temperate crop, it can be grown under a wide range of climatic conditions, temperate, tropical, and subtropical. The bulb onion, as we discussed, is nothing but the short stem with fleshy leaves. It acts as a food reserve that helps the plant survive during harsh weather conditions. What are the different types of onions? No doubt there are several types of onions, but here, we talk about the most common ones. Yellow onion, sweet onion, white onion, red onion, shallots. Onion nutrition facts. Here are the main nutrients in 100 grams, or 3.5 ounces, of raw onions. Onions are also rich in vitamins A, B6, B complex, and C, as well as iron, folate, and potassium. They are excellent sources of sulfuric compounds, flavonoids, phytochemicals, and polyphenols. What are the health benefits of onions? Onion is one such vegetable that contains various vitamins, minerals, and potent plant compounds that have been shown to promote health in many ways. Here's a quick look at some incredible onion benefits for health. 1. Help in improving heart health. Onions are a rich source of flavonoids and thiosulfonates. The flavonoids in onion help in reducing bad cholesterol in your body, and thiosulfonates are known to keep the consistency of the blood right, much like a blood thinner. Due to this, the risk of heart attack and stroke reduces by many folds. 2. Maintain bone health. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, just one onion contains 25.3 milligrams of calcium. Calcium equals strong bones, so adding this veggie to your salad can help you build better bone health. 3. Improve immunity. Everything revolves around immunity these days. The antioxidants present in onions can help you strengthen that too. 4. Promote healthy digestion. The digestive benefits of onions can be attributed to inulin, a fiber present in the vegetable. Inulin acts as a food source for the beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Consuming this fiber helps your body maintain good levels of the healthy bacteria. 5. Enhance eye health. The sulfur in onions improves the health of the lens of the eye. It stimulates the production of a protein named glutathione, which acts as an antioxidant. Higher levels of glutathione mean a reduced risk of glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts. Why are onions good for diabetes management? 1. High on fiber. Onions, especially red onions, are rich in fiber content. Fiber takes time to break down and digest, which ensures slow release of sugars in bloodstream. Fiber also adds bulk to your stool, which may help ease constipation, which is a common problem among diabetics. 2. Rich in antioxidant. Onions contain antioxidants, which are helpful in fighting free radicals of the body and are beneficial in keeping the skin healthy. Onion water, in addition to keeping diabetes under control, also boosts the immunity system. Compounds in onions help to relieve inflammation, reduce triglycerides and cholesterol levels, and lower the risk of heart disease. 3. Low on carbs. To lose weight and keep sugar levels under control, it is always advisable to eat a balanced amount of carbohydrates. Onions are very low on carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are quickly metabolized, which results in the rapid release of sugar in the bloodstream. Diabetics are often advised to incorporate more low-carb foods into their diet. In addition, onions are also low on calories, and can be safely considered for a healthy weight loss plan. 4. Low on glycemic index. The glycemic index, GI, is a value assigned to foods, carbohydrate, based on how slowly or quickly they affect blood glucose levels. A raw onion has a low GI rating of 10, and a low glycemic load, GL, count of 1. It is beneficial for diabetes patients to eat foods with a low GI. It helps in controlling blood sugar level. These foods help release sugar slowly into the blood. Is it better to eat onions raw, or cooked? Whether it is raw onions or cooked, onions are super healthy, and loaded with benefits. And you can eat them whenever you want, day or night. However, raw onions have higher levels of organic sulfur compounds that offer numerous benefits. One study has found that the outer layers of onion flesh have the highest concentrations of flavonoids, hence, ensure you remove as little of this part as possible while peeling the vegetable. Boiled onions also have benefits. They serve as a good source of fiber and copper. Fiber helps keep digestive issues at bay, while copper aids brain communication. Even pickled onions have most of the benefits onions provide. What are the side effects of onions? Unfortunately, onions also have several downsides. Here are some possible side effects of onions. Onion may reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Thus, those taking medications for blood pressure should exercise caution in its consumption. Some people may experience face or skin irritation and rashes on applying onion juice on the skin. So, it is advisable to test it on a small area of your skin before its application. Uncontrolled intake of onion can lead to heartburn. It can cause adverse effects to people with heart ailments. Quick medical attention is required in such situations. The use of onion may inhibit blood clotting because of its anticoagulant property. Supplementing onion with other anticoagulant medications might increase the risk of bleeding and bruising. Hence, one should be aware of this serious side effect of onion consumption. Although onion is used in treating several gastrointestinal disorders, excess consumption may cause gastric irritation, vomiting, nausea, and burning. If you experience any such conditions regularly from onion usage, it is advisable to consult your healthcare provider. People who are allergic to onion should not take aspirin and onion together, as aspirin increases onion sensitivity. Onion often leaves a bad breath after its consumption due to its strong aroma, which can be attributed to its high content of sulfur. How to make onion water for diabetes. You can also use onions to make onion water, a simple low-cal detox drink that you can consume every morning. Ingredients: 2 chopped onions, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 pinch of rock salt. Take a blender, and blend all the ingredients. Do not strain. It is important you get the fibers. In addition to diabetes management, onion water is also good for immunity and skin health owing to the range of antioxidants it comprises. However, you have to be very careful about the portion. Excess of anything could be harmful in the long run. So, adding onions to your daily diet may be an excellent food choice to maintain blood sugar control. You can use them as the main ingredient, condiment, and garnish. Onions add a savory flavor to a variety of dishes. Make sure you maintain moderation. Excess of anything is never a sustainable strategy to manage a health condition of any degree.